Are you ready to make some big changes? Are you ready to experience a major transformation in how you feel? In how you think? In how you look and move? If you're ready, then you're invited to join us on a journey. Welcome to our 28-day 360-degree total transformation fitness program. During our journey together, you'll be giving your body what it needs and wants to feel healthy, vibrant, and alive. You'll discover how it feels to be lighter and leaner. Your energy will increase to a whole new level, and at night you'll sleep like a baby. In just 28 days, our journey together will help you feel the best you've ever felt. That's because the destination is all about your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. So if you're ready to make some big changes, come join us. Not tomorrow, but today. Click the button below to get started and join thousands of women just like you on their journey to becoming fitter, healthier, and happier with ShapioX Fitness.